Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech World. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to block someone on Snapchat. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you have not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. Perhaps you're receiving unwelcome messages from someone, or you simply don't want that individual to see your posts. That's when you know it's time to block them. Blocking someone on Snapchat is simple. If you know how to use the program, simply tap open your Snapchat application from the app drawer, make sure that you're logged into your account. And as soon as you do that, you'll end up in the camera screen of Snapchat. You may also call this the homepage of Snapchat. From the main homepage, swipe towards the right-hand side to open up your chat screen. You can select a contact from your chat screen. If you have anyone that you'd like to block from this page, simply tap on that contact with a chat and this will open up the conversation screen with them. Tap on their name located at the top of the screen and then tap on the three dots at the top right-hand corner from their profile from the pop-up displayed at the bottom of the page. Tap on Manage Friendship, select Block option from the list of the options displayed in the next pop-up. Now to confirm your blocking action. Tap on the block button one more time and you'll be able to block an individual on Snapchat. Once you block a person on Snapchat, they won't be able to send your snap or talk with you either. That is how you can easily get rid of a contact or simply block a contact on Snapchat. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.